Today, I'll be sharing a quick and delicious Italian classic, a simple tomato sauce that's perfect for any pasta dish in less than 20 minutes. Start off with a large pan over medium-low heat and add a small amount of olive oil. Then you want to add 1 clove of garlic, let it infuse with the oil. Then, after 3 to 5 minutes, add the passata tomato and stir. If you want to learn how to make other Italian dishes, click on the notification bell and subscribe so that you get notified when a new video drops. Now add some salt to taste, black pepper, and 5 leaves of basil. Lastly, add half a cup of water. Move the sauce to another stove on low heat. We are going to let it simmer until our pasta is ready. Check every 5 minutes and add water if the sauce becomes dry. Next, put your pasta water over high heat and wait till it boils. Add 2 pinches of rock salt and add your pasta. I am using penne pasta here, but you can use any type of pasta as long as it can hold the sauce. So penne, conchiglie, rigatoni are a good choice here. Once the pasta is ready, remove the garlic clove from the sauce and transfer the pasta to the saucepan. Add some Parmesan Reggiano to taste and toss the pasta until well combined. And there you go, you have your pasta with tomato sauce done in less than 20 minutes. I highly recommend this pasta, and if you do make it, share your thoughts down in the comments. See you later.